next one is money is an identity. And it truly is. I'm telling you right now, you could work extremely hard, but if you have the identity of a poor person, it will always chain you. In life, you do not get what you deserve, you get what you think you deserve, because what you think you deserve dictates your actions, and your actions dictate what you actually get in life. You know, it's very unfortunate. You see a lot of people in abusive relationships, and the reason they stay in those relationships is because they have some part of their identity that thinks they deserve it. Because the crazy thing is, after they get out of one abusive relationship, they find their way into another. So it is ingrained as a part of their identity. So you can have something that is as heartbreaking and unfortunate as that, but also from the extreme side of things, all the way to the person that just has an identity that they are not someone who is worthy or deserving of money. This is why I always tell people, go buy that $12 coffee at the hotel. Go into these affluent areas and just understand that these are normal people. They move differently, they talk differently, they carry themselves differently, but at the end of the day, these are just normal people. Now, the next one is that reputation can never be rebought, so act accordingly. In life, you need to understand that you will always have the opportunity to make more money, but your reputation is almost impossible to claw back. So the next time you think about fucking over some business partner, or cutting someone out of a deal when you made a promise, or in general just making money from dirty means, understand that your reputation will live with you for the rest of time. Your reputation carries on because just like Chinese whispers, people will talk, and it will continue to permeate. So when you understand that your reputation is probably one of the most fragile things on earth, never ever put it at risk, because it's very hard to rebuy.